chain facilitates their joining to the OH groups of glycerol. That's how those things get attached. So when you need to attach a fatty acid to glycerol and make it a monoacyl, and acyl is shorthand for fatty acid chain, glycerol, you do it at the OH site. When you need to add another one, you come down here and add another one here at the OH site. When you're going to add a third one, you add it at the OH site of the second carbon. Most of the time I'm like configuration back and forth, right? In amino acids it does matter because the NH3 plus and the COO minus have to sit next to each other. Here, this does matter. Triacylglycerols do not send 3 fatty acid chains in the same direction. They go in opposite directions so that they don't stack up and interact with one another. So the first fatty acid chain, it doesn't matter which direction you send them, but they have to go in opposite ones. The second one goes this way, and the third one goes this way.
So they will kind of add in that, or like it won't go 1, 2,
They add 1, 3, 2.
1, 1, 3, 2. Okay.
Go on the bottom, and then 3 would go that way. Right? You said it.
Oh, okay. So meaning third chain to be added, not third carbon. You go in. Okay. So you go in this order. To add. And if you look at this molecule, carbon 1 is the same as carbon 3, right? Does that make sense? When you're looking at carbons, carbon 1 and carbon 3 are the same. So, just by convention, I'm calling that one 1, that one 2, and that one 3. Okay? So here's carbon 1. Here's carbon 2. And here's carbon 3. Right? And then this one has... So, this is first. This is second. This is third. Does this happen 100% of the time in the universe without fail? No. Does it happen most of the time like this? Yes. Because it keeps these fatty acid chains from interacting with each other as long as possible, right? And then the only thing that's left once you have a triacylglycerol, you've got C fatty acid chain, right? C fatty acid chain, C fatty acid chain, okay? And then you've got, I'll do it in the way that you want to do it, right? So that we're keeping our orientation right, okay? I'll draw out the H's so that people are not totally confused. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, and let me get rid of this. Okay, all right, and the last one is, what else do we need to know? Okay, so what do we need to know about this? Add